Let's factor this binomial, no greatest common factor, to these two terms other than 1 or -1. And then this is the difference of two squares. So it factors as a binomial times a binomial. I know x squared times x squared gives me x to the 4th. And by the way, if you want to take that intermediate step and write 16 as 4 squared, you can, but I know a 4 goes here and a 4 here and a plus and a minus. Then we haven't gone through this step before, but you always need to check to make sure no factor will factor further. In other words, here I have the sum of two squares, and this will not factor further, so I'm okay here. But notice here, this factor itself is the difference of two squares. So let's continue. I will simply rewrite x squared plus 4, and then I'm saying that this second factor all by itself is the difference of two squares. So how does this factor? Well, x times x gives me x squared, and then I have 2 times 2 for 4, and a plus and a minus. Now, how can you check? If you multiply x plus 2 times x minus 2, you'll have x squared minus 4. Then if you multiply x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 4, you'll have x to the 4th minus 16. None of these factors factors further, so I've factored completely.